If you have a 30 wide fly, you never pay more than $3. That will push it out of the money. And where it pushes it is interesting. It pushes it right around that expected move. You might think, oh, that's way out there. I don't play anything but something that's inside the expected move. I know. And those trades cost you a darn lot of money, right? So that debit is designed so you can never exceed 10% of that width of that fly. 10% is the ceiling. 5% is like what you aim for. So in other words, not only are we looking for 10%, but there's a range from 10% and even further out to 5% of the width. That range is super important. Inside that range typically falls where expected move is. It's somewhere in there. Sometimes it's just outside of it, but it's usually right in there. And then just beyond expected move, some of those strikes that you could choose start changing the whole game. There's what's called convexity, and that convexity translates directly into the cost of your trade and the potential without really affecting the payoff curve. Now, I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, maybe not, but this is a super important point, and it's the place where most traders that are professionals are searching and most retail traders are avoiding because it doesn't give them the win rate. Yet that's where the biggest payoff is. You ever wonder, as a retail trader, you say, why can't I ever get that big runner like that guy? Because you don't play for it. You, in fact, take your trade and make sure that you can't get it by guaranteeing you a high win rate. See, what we do is we position for that thing. Now, that doesn't mean that we're going to get it, but we can get it. You can't. And anything that we don't get, we scalp the smaller opportunities. So not only do we get your opportunities, the small one, for much cheaper, but we also get the big ones. And those are huge compared to the amount of risk that we take. So do the arithmetic on the ceiling. I don't know why you would do it on the ceiling, but if you pay 10% of the width, your maximum loss is that debit. And the width of the fly minus the debit is what your structure can pay. That's the definition of a fly's max potential. Width minus debit equals max profit potential. And that is 1 to 9 or 9 to 1 at worst. So you get your debit closer to 5% and the payoff goes even more convex. So what does convexity mean? What does convex mean? It's, you've seen convex lenses. They're like this. And no matter where you place the light inside the convex lens, it always focuses right on the max. That's kind of like what we're doing. But convexity really is defined in our terms, the rate of change of cost. So your strategy costs a certain amount. And that amount is a ratio between your risk and your reward. So as you push something further out, the cost gets smaller, the reward gets bigger, and then that changes the ratio. But that cost, as you're moving out beyond the expected move, isn't like a linear change. It's changing at an exponential rate. It's like it falls off like this. Okay? And that right there, that fall off, is called convexity. Here's an example. You can get into a $3 trade that costs you $3. You go one more strikeout and it costs you maybe $2.80. You go one more strikeout and all of a sudden it costs $1.80. You've just taken a 35% discount. And the difference in the payoff curve hasn't changed. So in other words, if you're in that trade that costs you $3 versus the one that costs you $1.80 and you get a 10-point move in each one of them, you're going to get paid about the same, and sometimes you get paid more in the cheaper one. So think about that. You're paying way less to make the same. Now, I'm talking about in our world, that's great. In your world, it's a completely different universe. We're getting paid 30, 50, 60 times more for the amount of money that we're putting up.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable zero DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care, guys.